I'm Pavithra and I did my 12th standard from St. Joseph's, Bangalore. I'm currently pursuing a dual degree program, BSc in Life Sciences and B.Ed in Azim Premji University. As part of the Life Sciences, we have a huge lab part of it. So for the first year, we did Introduction to Biology, and the second year I have Genetics and Molecular Biology. And one of the labs that I really enjoyed was the lab where we had to pick worms. And C. elegans are actually nematodes. You can't see them, so you can see them under the microscope. So there are two distinct phenotypes. There are males and there are hermaphrodites. So it's hard to distinguish between them, and the task is you distinguish between them and you cross a male and a hermaphrodite and then see their progeny and see the mutants and then deduce the inheritance patterns with all the progeny you got in the lab. So it was really fun, and after that we also had a group assignment on the lab, like our conclusive data. So we had to write a scientific report on that, so it was really nice. The biology here is not like cramming of facts and details like how it used to be, like for exam this concept is coming for 5 marks, so you learn this by heart. So it's just you need to know the concept well, and it's more of application based. The first education course is Philosophy of Education, and the course is titled Nature and Purpose of Education. And under nature we try to study, we read the perspectives of different philosophers like Ham, Dewey and Cassipides about their perspective on education. And we try to break down the word education conceptually. Before it was like education is just teaching, learning process, but there's so much to education. There's like a whole philosophical aspect of education. And then there's purpose. Why does somebody need education? Why do you need to be educated? It's for autonomy, or for flourishing, or for being a good citizen. So there are so many aspects of why you need education. And then there was this really fascinating concept of care ethics. So we all implicitly care for somebody, but to conceptually understand what it means to dialogue with somebody, what it means to model caring, what it means to really as a teacher to care for a student. So those understandings are really new for me, and it's really interesting. I actually did not know about there is this dual degree. One of my teachers from my 10th standard, her child is studying in the PG campus. So she gave me this option of there's a dual degree course. What about you? You can try for it. Then I read through it and it seemed really interesting that I actually liked teaching children, and I liked being with them. So I thought, okay, why not study B.Ed? And it is also a 4-year degree, so you don't need to do it separately. So with my life sciences, I will also do B.Ed.